Ravi Prasad, Sandeep, Shekhar, Sharda, Smita, Suhas, Vagesh Mishra, VM Agrawal. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in. All right. It's nice to see all of you here today. Devaditya Chakrabarti, good evening. Suryadeep, super excited. Yes. So now we have many first timers as well here, and we also have people who have been attending my sessions before. And we also have some action takers from our last weekend live workshop. So we have a specific agenda today. All right. So let me. Devaditya belongs to Kharagpur. Nice to know. Right. So let us do a quick poll on, I just want to do a quick poll on how many of you have already, you're able to successfully open the Teachable, open the courses in the Teachable and access it. How many of you are successfully able to go through the course? How many of you have not even opened the course and are, or you have some challenges opening the course? Okay, I'm not able to edit. All right. Just give me a moment. Okay, I think the poll creation is taking time, so I'm not going to do that. Right. So how many of you are first timers here? Type in the chat box FT, first timer. How many of you are having challenges to access the course? Okay. Mohammed Idris is a first timer, Rupendra first timer, Vagish first timer, Adesh, good evening. Harvinder Singh is a first timer, Nikhil is a first timer. So those who are not yet able to open the courses, the course that you signed up via our Facebook campaign, the free course, please wait till the end. I will show you how you can access the course. Okay, if you are having a struggle accessing the course, you have to log in into the course. Number one. Number two, if the videos are not playing, your browser needs an upgrade. Okay, your browser or device needs an upgrade because there are many people going through the videos and they are able to access it. I will show you that towards the end. For the timing today, all right, thank you, Jen. Thank you, Vasu, for sharing that. Let me close my inbox Outlook, otherwise it will keep on giving notifications. Yeah, all right. So let's welcome all first timers into this community. Welcome first timers. So I did not launch the poll because it was opening in Edge and it is asking me to add a question. It is asking me to sign in. So I haven't still launched the poll. So let me do that in parallel. Let me see if I can launch it so that I know. I was trying to launch it, but I think I rebooted my system. So I just need to do a fresh login and track this. Right. So there is no need for the poll, as I think it is. I'll have some more polls. So at this stage, let's get going. Hi, Lata. So our agenda for today. So we just had a weekend workshop. So I would like to review the work done by the participants there. And if any of you first timer has any specific questions to ask, if you have any specific questions to ask, you can submit your questions here. I'm just giving you a link. Hold on, I'm just giving you a link. You can put your questions there so we don't lose track of all the questions that is being asked, and that at the end I will answer all your questions. So those who are first timers here, okay, to kindly put your questions in the link that I have just shared. Kindly put your questions in the link that I have just shared, because amongst many chat messages that scroll, I miss out on your questions. So I will just walk through the questions as and when they are coming. Okay, so that will also help me, have all the questions at one place, and I'll make sure that I answer that for you in my capacity, right? So that is one thing that I wanted to make an announcement for, right? So generally on business satsang, sometimes I conduct real business insights. Like last weekend, we looked at the 4 A's of entrepreneurship. So all the first timers here, this is my 10th or 12th business satsang session, and all the recordings have been uploaded on YouTube. I will give you the playlist. I'll give you the playlist so you can watch. The last weekend, the last Tuesday, we had done the 4 A's of entrepreneurship. Okay. So, and apart from that, 6 components of a lead generating website, how to create attention grabbing videos, the VTAP of marketing strategies. There are a lot of videos, a lot of content that has already been created. So I'll give you the playlist and you can watch at the end of the session. I'll give you the playlist, or I will also share that in the Telegram group. How many of you are already in the Telegram group, and how many of you are not in the Telegram group? Those who are not in the Telegram group, I'm going to be giving you the link. Join the Telegram group if you want the session recording and updates. Kindly join the Telegram group. I'm sharing the link to the Telegram group here in the chat box. Yeah, great. Those who are already in the Telegram group, thank you so much for joining in. And I am sure you know that there is a lot of value in there. So those who have still not joined in the Telegram group, you may want to be part of that. The links are given. All your questions at one place. And even before we get started, I would like to know what your challenges are. What are your challenges? Okay, so just fill up this and let's look at what your challenges, what your real challenges are. Okay, so that way I also know which topic I should be conducting, so everybody gets some value, super value, massive value out of the sessions. I already shared the Telegram link. It's above. I'll share that again. I'm sharing the Telegram link again. Yeah. Telegram link. And can you hold on to your comments so that we have all the links at one place? Thank you for joining in. Let me have all these links at one place. Just hold on. I've already shared. I'll make it available for all of you one more time. Okay. So I'll give you all the links right now. The most important link for you is the Telegram group link. Okay, because everything, all the video recording, every instructions are given there. So once you get on that group, everything else, if you have missed any link, you will get that. Okay. Apart from that, if you have any questions for me, okay, where are you blocked at present, right? I would like you to share your questions here on this link. Okay. Your questions, please share your questions here. So we have all questions at one place, and I will make sure that I answer that. Right. So today's session will be based on your questions. Today's session will be based on your questions. Okay. Which link? Please put your questions. How to increase sales? There is a lot of things you need to do right before you are ready to make sales. Okay. Telegram link I already shared. I'm going to share it one more time. I'm sharing 2 links, the bit.ly link as well as the direct Telegram group link. Okay. All right. So let's take, I welcome all of you. Thank you so much. You could be doing so many more things tonight, but you decided to show up here. You decided to invest your time with me, and I will make sure that you get the most of your time that you're spending with me today. So knowledge givers, how many of you are interested to create a low investment yet highly profitable knowledge business? How many of you are interested to get started or create or scale if you're already a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant? Get on this business model, online business model. Thank you so much. Debadit is interested, Deepak is interested, Shekhar is interested, Arumugan is interested, awesome, Manish Rao is interested. My Telegram channel name is World Class Entrepreneurs Academy, World Class Entrepreneurs Academy. Okay, I think my chat settings were in all panelists and attendees. Now you should get, it was going to all panelists. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Thank you so much for bringing that to my attention. Thank you so much. Right. So now I hope you would be getting these are the links. You answer your whatever questions you have, please click on KDM question link, join the Telegram group. One more time, I will give all the links that I just shared. I just realized that my settings were all just panelists. That's why you missed on the details, the links, right? Just give me one moment. I'm sharing all the link one more time. And then let's get straight away into Q&A today. So if you have questions, kindly put it in the KDM questions group, and I'm going to do a screen share, look at your questions and start answering. And the content, the insights, the business insights, you will start getting from there straight away. Okay. I'm waiting for your questions. Even if you are a first timer or you have been coming repeatedly, and if you have any questions, kindly share your questions here. Thank you so much for sharing your questions. How to build your own digital courses. Awesome. Right. How to connect to right people in businesses. Kindly post your questions at one place. It will help me answer your questions. One more time announcement. First, if you would like to have recording of the session, please join the Telegram group. The link is already shared. If you have any questions that you want me to answer, click on that link which I shared just now, KDM questions, so that I accumulate all the questions at one place and I'll go one by one, and we will see how to get your growth blockers addressed in today's session. In the meantime, while you're still thinking on questions, I would like to have one of our live workshop weekend participants, Suryadeep, who has been a massive action taker. So one of the questions in your one of the participant has asked this question. Let me share the screen. That how to create digital courses, right? So this entire week, last weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have been working on create your digital courses. Okay, so it requires strategies in place. It is simply not about recording your courses. Okay, it is about giving an experience to your target audience. It is about making sure that you're creating high converting content. How many of you would like to create a content that sells? How many of you would like to create a content that is high converting? How many of you want to create a content that is relevant and right for your target audience? Type in the chat box me. Thank you, Bhavani Behra. I hope I'm pronouncing you rightly. Shiva, Nupur, Jaswinder, Lakshmi, Harvinder, DK, Nikhil Yadav. Thank you so much for all your participation. Is my screen visible? Is the Excel sheet visible to all of you? Kindly post your questions there. So thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, Sashank. Thank you, Mamta. Super excited to have a very participative community here. Thank you so much for your active participation. It is really an honor to be able to serve you all. Thank you so much. Thanks, Girish. Thanks, Bikram. Super awesome. So if you have any questions, bring on your questions and let's see how to get you there. Suryadeep, Lakshmi is Shiva is asking. 1 second, I just have to see the date, today's date. Let me unhide some of my columns. All right. Whose question? This is Mahesh question was from the other day. Okay. So do we have the access to Teachable? Yes, very much, Lakshmi. You do have access to the Teachable. And I'm at the stay till the end because every Tuesday, those who are coming new, I take some time to explain you how you can access the courses if you're struggling to access the courses. So thank you, Girish. Thank you, Bikram. Thank you for all your responses. So please hold on. How to access your courses in Teachable, I will do it at the end. Okay, after 10 o'clock. Okay. Before that, I just want people come here for knowledge, insight, some learning. So let's focus on that content first, and all the logistics kind of stuff we will do it later. All right. So Suryadeep, let's get Suryadeep. Suryadeep, I'm going to get you on video. Yeah. How to create a loyal audience. Kindly put your questions in the sheet. Okay. I'm seeing in the Zoom Q&A, but I'll appreciate if you can put your questions in the link that I shared with you. I'm just going to get Suryadeep on video. Suryadeep, I'm promoting you to panelist and I'm allowing you to speak. So let me answer your, let us go through your, are you there? Yeah. All
Hello.
right.
How are you?
I am doing very well. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm already so excited and fired up right now. I mean, this is like a dream come true moment for me, man. Thank you so much for the offer.
No, thank you so much for taking actions. You're a super action taker. Loved all your work. So let's review your work. So I think Shiva has asked the question how to create digital courses. Now we spent close to 4 plus 4 plus 3, 11 hours on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to be able to decide which course to create first from all your offerings. And that is what right now Suryadeep has been working on, how to create a course. So how he decided which course to create, it depends on what is that you're passionate about. Okay, number one, passion. From your passion comes your mission. From your mission comes your vision statement. Vision is what you want to see in this world. What is the change you want to see in this world? Now we are doing some reverse engineering. Not only reverse engineering, it's all, I would say everything scrambled up, and we are trying because the way we have been taught, we have forgotten to ideate on simple things. We make everything very complicated. So I'm just trying to help you guys understand why it is important to create a course which is in your experience, something where you have experience and expertise, not something which is trendy. Okay. And because when you work on your passion and you are able to create a course out of your passion, you will keep ideating on it. You will get a lot of ideas. You will keep doing things even if you don't get money. You are willing to do it free, tirelessly. You never get exhausted because your passion comes from your heart. So either you know what your passion is and create a course, something that you can do lifelong, tirelessly. Otherwise, whatever experience and expertise you have gathered so far, you can create course on that as well. If it is your livelihood and you want to have some incoming money, you want to generate some revenue, then there are the best way is simply monetize your expertise and experience. Passion you can work on later, right? So from passion we come up with the mission statement, then from mission we come up with the vision statement. Mission is what you actually do, what will be your products and services. Now what will happen in the world because of your products and services, for that we write the vision statement. It is the umbrella. It is like you're standing on a 10,000 floor building. So from that place, okay, it is that is, that is very futuristic, that is an aspiration. It, whatever you do, anything that you do, any number of courses and programs that you make will be in alignment with your vision statement. Okay. And then it is also important as a knowledge giver, there are 3 steps to your success in as a knowledge giver. Your content piece is definitely there, but more than the content, the context in which you will be delivering your content is more important. And all these mission, vision, values, the 13 P's of digitalization, I will talk about it. Okay. Plus, all these 13 P's help you set the context. Okay, so context, content, and you, who you are. Okay, so what are the values you stand for and why those values are important to you, right? So this is what groundwork we do to decide which course to create, right? Now, once we know what our mission is, then who is the target audience, okay, for your course? Means whose problem are you solving? So passion, then persona of your target audience, okay, and the problem you are solving for them. So what is the problem you are solving with your products and services, and who is it you are solving this problem for? Okay, and then what is the potential of this problem that you are solving? Okay, is it how many, by this potential it means how much is your market potential? How many people are going through depression? How many people are having obesity? How many people are looking for peace of mind? How many people in the world are looking for happiness? How many entrepreneurs are looking for revenue growth? How many entrepreneurs are looking for better managing their processes? How many of entrepreneurs are looking to increase their sales? How many of business owners are looking for generating leads? How many business owners want to go shift online, right? So there are a whole gamut of things. Okay, how many people want some job ready skills? How many people want to get into skill which acquire some skills so that they can find some job? How many people, students want help with career counseling? How many students want? So there are few niches. Okay, it is like personal development or business growth. Okay, then spiritual growth and arts, crafts, hobbies, skills, health, finances, wellness, life, business. These are all of your offerings will come under that umbrella niche. Life growth, business growth, health and fitness, wellness, well-being, financial growth, career growth, and skills, arts, crafts, music, hobbies, extracurricular skills, job ready skills, language, calligraphy, everything will come under skills, right? So these are the major niches. Now you have to identify what is it within that you offer. So if you are in spiritual coaching, okay, so are you doing Reiki, or are you doing meditation, or are you doing crystal healing? So many modalities, right? So you get into that, then still narrow down for which particular age group. And when you say anyone, if I tell you, imagine anyone, who is coming to your mind? No one. But I say, imagine a 40 to 45-year-old women who is going through midlife crisis. Then somebody comes to your mind, right? You can visualize someone in your network, right? So what are you passionate about? What is the problem you're solving? Whom are you solving this problem for? Persona of your target audience. What is the potential of the problem that you're solving? Will people pay you money for that? How much money are they willing to pay you for that? What will be your profits, right? And based on all these things, you decide which course to create. That means your digital product. Okay. And your digital product should give some pleasure to your target audience. They have come for transformation to you. So how will your target audience benefit from your solution? They have come for that transformation. They have come to gain something from you. You have promised them some benefits and outcomes. Okay. So this is how we decide which digital course to create. I have summarized in short. So, Suryadeep has worked on this. So let's look at his work and let's see what we have here. Yeah, first things first. There are a lot of things. Okay, how to connect to the right target audience. Okay, let me answer that as well. Jungle mein, where does the lion go to drink water in the jungle? Where does the lion go to drink water in the jungle? Sorry, where does the lion go to hunt in the jungle? Where does the lion go to hunt in the jungle? Near water. Why? Because all animals come to that place where there is water once in a day at least. But I don't like this concept of hunting. Okay, we are farming. Okay, business is never about hunting. But the point to note here is you need to be where your target audience is. So first know who is your target audience. Then you will know where they are hanging around. Are they on Instagram? Are they on LinkedIn? If you are in B2B businesses, they will be on LinkedIn. If you are in life mastery, spiritual mastery, they will be on Facebook. If you are dealing with millennials, you will be on, or Gen Z, they will be where? Instagram, Snapchat, or whatnot. Okay. So you should know where your target audience is hanging. And you have to be there. And how you will be there? With your influence building content. And there is a strategy to create your influence building content. Okay, so you have to go where your target audience is. That time is over where I have opened my shop and I'm expecting customers to come. That is not going to happen. You have to take your shop where your customer is. Online shop also, right? So let's look at Suryadeep's work. I'm just going to share screen. And Suryadeep, is it all right if I show your sharing here?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely fine.
All right, thank you so much. So, and is it also okay if I review it in total honesty with no sugar-coated words?
Absolutely, absolutely, ma'am.
All right, so it's beautiful. I love all your work. I love all your action taking. Beautiful. Okay, so that's why you deserve to be sitting in the hot seat today. Okay. Okay. How many of you know that I was part of KBC? How many of you know that I participated in KBC? Kaun Banega Karodpati? But I didn't come on the hot seat. Okay, because there were people much smarter than me there. Okay, once in a lifetime opportunity missed. But I participated in fastest finger first. Okay, so yeah, good evening, Asim. Right. So what are you passionate about, Suryadeep?
I'm passionate about peak performance, personal growth, personal transformation. Yeah, that's the right.
Awesome. Personal transformation. Beautiful. So what is your mission?
And my mission is to help and serve 1 million professionals aged between 21 to 45 years who have a salary of at least 1 lakh per month to live their dream life by acquiring the greatest personal and professional high income skills.
Yeah. So now it is beautiful what you have written, but we have to be a lot of words here. Now, when you get to speak, you can speak all these sentence, but on your website, when you put on your home page your mission statement, it should be little crisper. Okay.
Yes.
So see, mission to help and serve. What is the difference between help and serve? So you simply just, I am on a mission to serve.
To serve.
More than serve, basically you are empowering people. So the better words would be empower, inspire, transform, educate, enable. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm on a mission to enable or empower 1 million working professionals. Now you don't have to be so detailed on the missions. I like the clarity. Okay. That's your target audience, but you can, it is a little, your vision and mission statement at for your website. Okay. For your website. Okay. Can be broad statements. Okay. So now you're saying they should already have an income of 1 lakh per month.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you help them acquire some personal and professional skills.
Yes, ma'am. High income skills.
So how about if we make your mission statement? I'm on a mission to empower 1 million working professionals, acquire high income professional and personal skills to live a fulfilled life. That's all. To live a happy and fulfilled life, or to live their dream life.
Yes, ma'am.
See, as a knowledge giver, you should be able to say more in less. Did you know a picture speaks 1,000 words? One picture speaks 1,000 words. 1 million high net individuals. A lot of people don't understand this language. So we have to keep it as simple. Working professionals is good. No, some Khalilji had given some suggestions. So I said, you know, because he's anyways, because you've put already minimum income of 1 lakh per month. How many people, how many professionals have 1 lakh, which is a 12 lakh package a year, right? So at this stage, I don't want you to write the detail of your target audience. Okay.
Yes.
Though it is good that you have it. So you can, in target audience, you should put these details. Age group, this much. Current income, this much. Okay. At least 1 lakh current income. At least means 1 lakh and more. Okay. And what are you helping them? Acquire high income personal and professional skills, so they can live their dream life.
Yes.
That's all. Okay. Optimize, fulfill. We don't need so many words here. Okay.
Yes.
Less is more.
Less is more. Yes.
Okay. Now, vision statement.
Vision statement is to help people break from personal and professional stagnancy.
So vision statement is always a present continuous. If you add ing, you know, this is also good. Okay.
Okay.
But it's like inspiring or skilling, because it is ongoing. Okay.
Yes.
Breaking free from personal and professional stagnancy. That can be your vision statement. Or you can always say that educating high income skills, educating professionals with high income skills. That's all. You know, that also educating professionals with high income personal and professional skills, because you use both the word personal and professional. So
yes.
So now even if you do any product you make will be towards that line.
Yes.
Any digital product will have that vision statement coming through. Your tagline can be break free from personal and professional stagnancy on your website. Or it could be your headline. Would you like to break free from personal and professional stagnancy and create your dream life? Right? So that becomes your headline or an opening statement on your introductory video. So there are different types of videos that you will have to create. One of your video will be an introductory video, which is your earn the right, ETR video. Now, some of you may not be understanding what is it we are talking about. What is ETR? What is all these things? So just hold on, just absorb. You are learning. Don't worry. Okay, because we just had a weekend workshop. Okay, 3-day workshop, 3 hours each, but it extended beyond 3 hours. And this workshop was how to create your digital course. Which course? Decide your course. You can't simply just make a course on English or make a course on life mastery. If you do that, you will have challenges to sell it. So there is a structure to this whole knowledge business. And if you have gone through the free course that I have given you, that sets the foundation that what we are talking about. Okay. So there are different types of videos you need to create. One video is who you are. So your introduction video, why people should listen to you, right? So now your opening statement of your video can be this question: would you like to break free from personal and professional stagnancy and live your dream life? That's all. Simple, to the point, precise. How many of you agree it is good? Questions are required. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vineet. So how many of you believe that it is very important to get the attention of your target audience right at the beginning? Because attention span is so less. If you're not getting their attention in 5 to 6 seconds, they are gone. They will never visit you back again. It is very important to get the attention of your target audience in the first few seconds of your video, of your article, of your podcast, of your website. It's very important right now. And homepage is the most visited page of your website. And from this, whatever we are doing, the background, the foundation work to know which digital course to create, we are not only trying to connect and have clarity in our own personal positioning, we are getting clarity in our business positioning. Okay. And this is also helping you create your marketing collaterals. The value you bring in the marketplace, you will be able to communicate that with absolute clarity. How many of you would like to do that? Do you know the value your product or services are bringing in the marketplace? And would you like to share that the value you bring effectively, efficiently? Right? Mamta wants to do that. Aditya wants to do that. Muttu Lakshmi wants to do that. Chandrasekhar agrees. Bhumi wants to do that. Right? Thank you, Bhumi. I saw your messages on YouTube, on email. You have written at many places. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Right? So, and it's nice to have you here. Good to see you here, Bhumi. Nupur, yeah, beautiful, right? So you know why somebody asked how to increase sales. Now every business owner, whether you are a freelancer, a solo independent person, or you are an SME business owner, or you are an MNC or a giant company, everyone wants to increase their sales. Who doesn't want to increase your sales here, right? But is there one answer to increasing sales? No. It depends on the nature of your offerings. But what we are doing right here is setting the foundation right. So whatever business you are in, you are getting ready to market yourself. I call this stage market readiness. So we are not only deciding which course to create, we are also making you market ready. That means when you are ready to spend money on marketing, your cost per lead should be less. And when does your cost per lead becomes less? When you have positioned yourself properly via your website, via your videos, via your blogs, via your podcast, via your Facebook ad copies, where there is crystal clear clarity in what you stand for, what is your message in this world, who you are, why people should listen to you, why have you earned the right to tell people what they should do and why they should learn from you. Right? Make sense? If this makes sense, type in the chat box, make sense. Right? So how many of you would like to have that personal clarity and positioning in place, business clarity and positioning in place? How many of you would like to do that? Vasu says yes. Khalilji says yes. Jay Tiwari wants to do it. DK wants to do it. Nupur wants to do it. Jaswinder wants to do it. Jaswinder says it makes sense. Right? So to summarize, it is very important to know what are you passionate about, what is your mission, what is your vision, what is the change that you want to see in this world, what is the change you wish to see in this world, right? What are the values you stand for? Okay. Integrity, compassion, empathy, efficiency, excellence, process improvement, honesty, professional ethics, quality, compassion, customer delight. There's so many values, transparency, professional ethics, honesty, so many values, right? That your life is defined by that, right? There are certain things that you look for in your colleagues, in your friends, with people who hang around, who you hang around with, right? You stand for certain values in life, right? Those values define who you are. For example, the values that I stand for, I mean, the values that these 3-4 words entirely defines my life: integrity, professional ethics, growth, from where to where, growth from mindsets, growth financially, growing across 8 dimensions of life, and giving with an open heart, generosity, because you don't know what this does to you. Giving is the most selfish thing you can do. It's paradoxical, but giving is the most selfish thing you can do in this world. Because when you give, it's a law of life. You gain, but you should not have any expectation to get something in return. That is why you give, not that giving. A giving where you simply give without any expectation of getting anything instantly. Because the law of life, givers gain, works. And you would not even know how exponentially you will be rewarded when you become generous. Okay, because I'm a product of giving, right? My whatever I am today is just because of that one value. And everyone has everything to, you have everything to give at whatever stage you are. Give does not necessarily means money. Okay, give is equal to money is wrong. You can give so much, your advice, your knowledge, okay, a help, going out of your way to do something for someone. Okay, so it is very important, and especially as a knowledge giver, that is why I'm using the word giver, knowledge giver, and using the online tools and systems and online or your content, you can truly give. Okay, now, so let's get back to this. So vision is done. So now we have to look at the other piece, which is the target audience, which is the persona of your target audience. So now I'm very happy with this. You have done a good job here. Working professionals between 21 to 45. Now, only thing is your age group, your there is a huge difference in the age group, 21 to 45. The need of someone who is in his 30s is very different from the needs of someone who is in his 40s. So my recommendation to you would be to split it, though it is okay here, but for the sake of communication. Okay, when you're doing your videos, you will have to make a different video for people who are in their 30s and a different one to the ones who are in their 40s and 50s, because their needs are different. Someone who is in his 30s, 20s and 30s, what they want from life is very different. Okay, when the someone who is in 40s and 50s, someone who is in 40s and 50s is looking for stability. Someone who is in their 20s, they have a lot of dreams and aspirations to fulfill. They are looking for agree, the dreams and desires of people in their 20s and 30s will be very different from what people in their 40s and 50s would want in that personal and professional growth. So break that down into 2 more components, and then write what is the pain and problem of your people in 20s and 30s, what is the problem of pain and problem of people in 40s and 50s, and you also write down what is it that they are going to benefit from your program. Because now, so what's in it for them, how they will benefit, right? So people will be willing to pay you money when they get the outcomes they are desiring. So if you tell somebody in 40s and 50s you will be able to buy a luxury car for yourself, that wouldn't excite him as much as you will say that you will be happy to my program or course will help you create a fulfilled life. You will have a meaningful life. That is what someone in 40s and 50s would be looking for. Do you agree? Do you agree, Surya? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you're busy making notes, taking
Yes,
notes.
yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So now problems faced by your target audience. Now, stagnancy, you will have to, it is good you've written words, but you will have to elaborate. Where is it they are facing stagnancy? Okay. What is the frustration they are going through? Because we need statements here, pain statements, not pain words. Okay. Do you feel burnout in your work life? Is your current profession burning you out? Do you feel lack of time and energy all the time in your personal life? Something like that. In your relationships, something, you have to elaborate, make it little. Now you have to narrow down here. Okay. So only a vision statement and mission statement is broad. Your target audience has to be narrowed down. Your problems, the problem statement can be broad, but your pain statements have to be narrowed down. Okay. So shiny object syndrome, imposter syndrome, Monday blues, you will have to make statements out of it. That is my input to you. Okay. Fears and frustration. Yes.
So, ma'am,
I
I
will
just have
directly.
one small doubt. So,
Yes.
regarding all the points that I've mentioned, I'm just supposed to make it in the form of a statement and then
Yes.
convert it into a question, right?
Beautiful. I love it. That's how it
Yes.
is.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you get the statement, you will convert it into a question. I love your grasping ability. You are way to go. I'm super confident that you will be very successful in this. Okay. So make a statement and then convert that statement into a question. And fears and frustrations, I think you've done a fabulous job. I'm not enough, all the hard work for nothing, self-deprecation. Beautiful. Okay. These are beautiful. Uh, you've written it well. Okay. Now it is all about how to use this content on your web presence,
Yes,
on
ma'am.
your landing pages, on your ad copies, on your website, or in your video, in your blog. Okay. How will you use all of this? That is what you need to work upon now. Now, biggest takeaway. Yeah, you want to say something here, Surya?
Yes, ma'am. So I have to say this, that the moment you had given us that entire KDM course, right? And I mean, first of all, we all sometimes we get free courses and we take it and we keep it. But in this case, since I had followed you for the last 3 to 4 months, 5 to 6 months, and all, and my team members also they speak about you. First of all, I got so shocked, literally, because that is one of your flagship courses, right, ma'am? So the moment I went through it, I decided, okay, I'm just gonna slog an entire weekend and I'm gonna just burn through the entire course, and that's what resulted in this. So I've already filled up 50% of the notebook, just taking notes like crazy. And I'll tell you, ma'am, very honestly, in just 4 days, the entire first product came into being. I was already confident of making videos and everything, but I had also been through the whole knowledge business blueprint by Tony Robbins, but it was good, but it didn't make so much sense because I'm horrible in terms of learning all these technicalities and all. But you mentioned it in such simple and lucid manner, even though I did not have such a huge clarity on mission, vision, and all these statements, I was able to successfully launch the course, and there are 25 premium paid members in the community right now as we
You
speak. So it's such just the profound wisdom that you shared in such simple and lucid manner, ma'am. And now that this particular brainstorming you did for me and you helped me out, I'm sure in terms of scaling the entire business, it's just going to go to the next level. And I mean, I'm so grateful to you, ma'am, for this. I mean, the other day I was seriously in tears when I realized, oh my God, such a huge, like literally in this entire workshop that you're conducting, you all the knowledge that you have, you're literally giving it to us. and at such a nominal price. I somehow consider this as a, I had put up a prayer to the universe, and the universe graced me with this blessing. I mean, I'm so grateful to you, Vandana ma'am. You have changed my life literally. I'm going to do the same video and send it to you as a testimonial for sure. I've already decided that.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so
Love you,
much.
ma'am. Love you, ma'am.
Love you too, and thank you so much for taking actions, and thank you so much because whatever words you are using, this is exactly what I believe about my program. But we have a tendency, people will be willing to pay a lot of money to Tony Robbins because he's become very popular, and other popular coaches. But someone who is available, accessible, this is human tendency, right? So I do believe, so that is why whoever is here, most welcome, and make the most of this opportunity, because I feel fulfilled when I'm able to empower people who have potential, but they lack the necessary skills and direction to be able to make the most of their whatever they aspire for, right? So because I have that maybe this is part of my journey. Maybe I have been put in a position so that I can empower people like this. So because I have been there, right? I have gone through all of this, and I have also signed up for high ticket programs, and I didn't get any value. I was just left on to my own, and I realized that this is a gap in the market, and I would like to help people address that gap. So I make it as simple as possible, so that anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. All right. So thank you so much for your sharing, Suryadeep. So I think any questions you have on that? So now you have decided which course to create. You have
Yes,
clarity
ma'am.
on your
So
vision,
I
mission,
just
value.
have one small question, if I can ask that, ma'am. So
Yeah.
you had mentioned regarding brainstorming, obviously the target audience, vision statement, and all. But ma'am, with respect to the niche, I have been based on my experience so far, whatever years, I have found out two different niches and one expertise. My expertise is dentistry, and my personal experiences give me a niche of healing emotional trauma. That is something that I've done over a period of time. But my product, which is launched, is of that of a premium mastermind. So my question to you, ma'am, is if I want to create a product with the two different niches, should I apply the same techniques and methods and strategies that you have taught in the KDM course, or you are teaching us now for the same niche also, or is there a different process?
No. So what happens is now there. Okay. So how do you want to position yourself in the marketplace, right? Now, if you say, I help people acquire high income skills, right? Now, whatever program in the world, a trainer teacher is actually working on the person, also mindset shift, emotional breakthroughs. So now uh, you if you want to be known as Tony Robbins of your industry, or Robin Sharma of your industry, or that, right? Then you will have to enter the market with just one positioning, your one niche. Okay. And then this emotional healing that you do, or therapy that you do, can become a solution to your offering. For acquiring high income skills, it is very important to first overcome your own emotions. So then it can become a solution inside your program to that target audience. Only you can do embed it into your course.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, you embed this piece into your course. Now you can always create a separate course to be able to monetize that, which you don't have to see. When what happens is, if you have 3 products and you are doing campaign for 3 products, then you are competing with yourself only in the marketplace. That's how Facebook works. So it makes a lot of sense to just have one product and then funnel your offerings inside that. Or you can create this emotional as a product, give it as a bonus, or you can sell it as a standalone product on common platforms like Udemy and all. Just put it there and let it sell on its own. You are not doing any promotion for that.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Make sense?
Yes, absolutely, totally.
Did you get
That
some
just
clarity?
cleared up everything. That's why, ma'am, you're such a genius for this one reason. You just have the right thing to say, exactly what is needed. I mean, that's why you're the one of the best, ma'am. I mean, love you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this. This cleared a
Thank you,
lot. Thank you.
thank you so much. So yeah, that's about it. So now our weekend workshop is still on, but creating course is over. Okay, next weekend we are doing how to use digital systems and tools. Okay, so now to build your complete knowledge business, first of all, those who have not gone through that knowledge business course which Suryadeep is talking about, the 2-hour course, I used to sell that course for 5,000 rupees last year until my birthday. On my birthday, I have decided to give it free to people. I mean, even before that, but it was a planning. There's a lot more courses people have got free, but please finish that course. So there are 3 stages of your knowledge business. Digitalization, which course to create among your many offerings first, how to make it a high converting course. So we looked at it is required important to work on your mission, vision, values, right? And then your GPS, I call it your marketing collaterals, and your content bank comes from GPS, which is gain pain solutions system, which is what benefits, what is the outcome people will get, what is the problem and the pain behind that problem you are solving for them, and what is your unique solution and how it becomes unique to you. So your own experience and expertise, your story, your ETR, earn the right, it is called ETR, who you are, how many years of experience you have, and what are the results you have given people, your target audience, that and your story, why it is important for you to do this in this world. This completely makes your ETR, earn the right, your introductory video, who you are. Okay, so now once you know how people will benefit from you, which are called the gain statements, then you find out questions for the gain statement. Okay, which is boosting the confidence of a teenager. So then you build a question bank on this gain, and from your question bank comes your content videos and influence building videos. Now there's a whole strategy, we have spent 12 hours doing that. So this is phase 1 of knowledge business. Once you do that, you also need to monetize and market your product. Now you also need a lot of digital systems and tools to be able to create a business. So in this digitalization stage, you need a learning management system to upload your courses. Okay, why not YouTube? Why not Vimeo? These are video hosting platforms. Now YouTube, you will not get details of your customers, name and email ID, and you can't engage with them, with all of them. So it is very important to build your list. So that means you need to learn a autoresponder. It is important from your influence building videos, you channelize people into your world. You get the name and contact details of people who are interested in your offering. So list building is required. Then you need traffic generation strategies. Okay, how will you generate traffic? So these all come under monetization, and you need some digital systems to host your course where your customers get a great experience. So you need autoresponder, you need learning management system, and to generate traffic, you need to create influence building videos. You need to write high converting Facebook ad copies, or organically it's too slow. So if you're thinking of organic, that era is over. That was 3-4 years back. Now it is over. Now if you want to market yourself, there is so much happening on the online world that you will have to spend money on Facebook campaigns or LinkedIn campaigns or Instagram campaigns or Twitter, whatever. Okay, YouTube, promoting your videos. You will have to spend money on marketing. It is a must do. Okay, must do for you. So now digital systems, autoresponder, learning management system. If you see, you can put your courses in Vimeo and all, but that experience is not there like a course. Okay, it should be like a course. So you have to be on a learning management platform. So I will share some. Hold on. Uh, Just hold on. I closed my links text file that I generally keep handy so that I can give you all the links that are needed. Okay. So now, right now, Teachable is not free. So Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, LearnDash, these are some of the platforms that you can use. But if you're not ready with your recorded courses, there is no point in exploring that. But if you would like to explore a learning management system, there is one beautiful product in the market, very beautiful product in the market. Okay. It's called New Zenler. It allows you to create a free account. I have shared the link. You can create your free account there, and you can, just do some hands-on. Okay, they have a quick tour guide. You can go through and see how to use this product. Okay. Otherwise, you will have to have learn multiple tools like Teachable. So in my next weekend workshop, the upcoming week workshop on coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday, if some of you already are teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, and you don't know how to use the digital systems and tools, even if you are tech challenged, I teach these, I make these tools so easy for you to learn. Okay. I personally would have spent 1 month, 2 months to learn a tool, but I teach you that tool in less than 30 minutes. What you must know, because when you know these tools, you know what happens when you know these tools? When you know these tools, you save a lot of recurring cost. You save a lot of recurring cost, because if you don't know how to upload your courses in LMS and you have a dependency on someone else, if you don't know how to send a broadcast email, if you don't know how to create your list and engage with your audience, that itself is a recurring cost of at least 10 to 15,000 a month. You will have to hire a digital intern or digital marketing person. Okay. And who will be able, and you have so much dependency on them. You want to do something now, but that person is available only tomorrow. So there are certain things which you can do on your own. Okay. And there are certain things that you can simply outsource. Okay. So what you should outsource and what you should learn on your own, it is very important to know that. So now there are certain, these whatever I teach in the digital systems and tools, what you can do on your own, that I teach. Okay. So that you don't have dependency on anyone else, right? So I'm going to be doing this workshop coming weekend. If anybody wants to learn how to use digital systems and tools, okay, I'm just going to be sharing the link, and you will learn how to make a landing page. You will learn a autoresponder. You will also see how to host your courses on a learning management system. I will be giving a demo on Teachable, but you will understand the various aspects of the learning management system, and some other low cost tools which you should know, which will help you reduce lot of your costs, operational cost. Okay. Why I'm doing all this? Because I want you to learn at less cost. Invest in signing up with a mentor, with a consultant who can save lots of money for you and fast forward your growth journey. Okay. And you can save money to invest in your marketing. I request all of you not to sign up for any high ticket programs, because you will simply learn how to conduct your program. Whatever I have taught almost free, lakhs. I have personally paid in lakhs to learn whatever I taught, whatever I teach, whatever I am teaching now, whatever in last 3 days digitalization workshop, what I taught, and I still had no clarity. I struggled. Okay. So please make the most of this. So this is the link. If any of you wants to join this digital tools workshop, it is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 to 6 p.m., 3 hours, and you will learn one autoresponder. I'm going to teach you GetResponse because it is easy. I have been on 4 different autoresponder: Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, okay, Constant Connect, MailChimp. But finally, for non-techies, this is easy to use. Okay. And it is 1 month free also. So that an LMS learning management system is what I will teach, Teachable, but you will understand how to use. See, for New Zenler, for me, it is just a 2-minute work to show you how to upload your courses in New Zenler. but it is not going to help you right now. So you better to understand the features, what are there, and it helps you decide, should I make that investment in that tool or not? Okay. And then some other tools, payment gateway. A lot of people don't know how to set up products in InstaMojo, the features of InstaMojo that you can use, because now all this makes it complete for you. Okay. So I don't like the marketing gimmicks. My my list price is this, then my I'm there, this is my offer price, and this is my final offer price. I'm simply straight away telling you this is the price, and it is absolute value. Those of you who want to be part of this workshop, I have shared the link, you can join, right? And then we also have one more workshop coming up only on Facebook campaigns and Facebook ad, how to write your ad copies and how to do your Facebook campaign. Okay. Because then all these things together will help you market, monetize. But I also want you to record your courses. But even if you don't want to record your courses, you straight away want to get into live sessions and start monetizing that, because I understand you may have challenges. And I also see in past, since last August, when I started doing this, I have seen that many people are not able to record their videos, even though I have made it so easy, and their journey stops there. So no need to stop your journey. If you're not able to record, have pre-recorded videos, it's all right. You can conduct live sessions and monetize your live sessions, because I know you need money right now. But do that recording thing in parallel, because what does that pre-recorded course doing for you? That pre-recorded course is cloning you. Right now, I am in live session with you, but there are over 4,500 people who have signed up for my program, free program. They are going over my program. So Vandana is at many places right now. People are going through at their convenience. But if I'm only doing live sessions, how will others who don't even know that these live sessions are happening be part of my program? Or if they have some other meeting or anything, right? So by recording your courses, you are cloning yourself. How many of you would like to clone yourself? And my money, that what do you say, income stream is already on, right? How many of you would like to clone yourself? Then it is very important that you also orient yourself towards uh, what do you say, recording your courses. It's very important. Okay. Don't underestimate that. Right. So we also will be having a workshop on 25th, 26th, 27th June on Facebook ad copies, how to create a winning Facebook campaign, how to create a winning Facebook campaign. And if anybody of you would like to be part of that, because this is we already have about 50 people in that program already. Okay. So now you are here. So maybe you are ready for this. So any tool for screen recording? Yes. You can use Zoom itself or Screencast-O-Matic. Okay. If you don't want to use Zoom, because Zoom requires internet connections, and if your internet is slow, your whole video goes for a toss. So if you would like to have some low cost recording option, Screencast-O-Matic, 15 minutes, it gives you free recording, but don't make videos more than 15 minutes. Okay, so there are people who don't understand Hindi here. So Deepak, you will have to adjust a little bit, right? So this is the link for that other, somebody was asking, right? So now I think I'll go to the questions now. Suryadeep, do you have any questions? Otherwise, I'll move you to attendees, and then I will ask participants questions. You have anything?
Yes, ma'am. Just one last question I had, ma'am. So my degree is that of a dentist. I'm a certified dentist, registered dentist, but my product has no connection with respect to dentistry. So what do you recommend that I should do? Should I have two simultaneous products launched, or how do you want me to go about it?
So I was wondering why you didn't ask that question, because I heard you said I am a dentist. Okay, great story. Right, great story you have. Though I am a dentist, I'm not teaching you dentistry. Okay, because I also know. No, yeah, because people don't live their passion, because you don't know, right? Even you over your life, you've discovered that there is a lot more than I happen to be in that profession, but I belong somewhere else, right? So it is an added advantage. So what do you want to do with dentistry? Do you want to conduct dentistry courses? You can create that also.
Exactly, ma'am. So when you were talking about the entire target audience thing, no, this entire idea just popped after I went through the third session recording completely. So in dentistry, there's a huge problem that people have is that they know all the skills, but they don't know how to communicate that to their patients. So patient
Yes.
inflow is less. So I'm so good in communication and
You
expressions.
know
I can
what?
teach
If you can target a dentist as your target audience, where you are teaching them all these skills,
people.
so you can narrow
Okay.
it down. Instead of working professional, you can just say dentists. You have
Huh.
made it more focused.
Okay. Yes, that puts everything in one go. So true, ma'am. Yes.
Awesome.
Once again, you
Chalo,
solved my problem. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
all right. How we can launch our new courses? That's what we have been talking about, DK. You have to go through the course first. There is no short answer to this question. You launch your course, you publish your courses on learning management system. Okay. You launch your courses on learning management system. So 3 stages of digitalization. Okay. Let me, how do I switch you back to attendee? It's okay. You can be there. I want to answer the question that people have asked in the, yeah, thank you so much. Right. So let's go over your questions that you have. I'm going to share my screen and whatever questions you have asked, and those who want to understand how to access your courses and Teachable, we will go over that. Let me, the question sheet. Right. So everybody still on? How many of you are still interested to be in the knowledge business? How many of you are learning something? How many of you learned something today? How many of you are, okay, how many of you learned something new today? Beneath learned, Himanshu, should the, all your questions in the Excel sheet, please, all your questions in the Excel sheet. I'm again going to give you the link to the question thing. Please fill the form because it is very difficult. I miss your important questions. I miss in the chat, right? Mohiddin, Jay Tiwari, Tajinder Kaur, all of you still want to be in the knowledge business. Awesome. This requires a lot of hard work. Okay, so if you, and lot of action taking, you need to be consistent. You need a lot of strategies and direction. If you stay focused on strategies and direction, it will just take 3 to 6 months for you to take off in this business. How many of you would like to have it easy? How many of you would like it effortless? How many would like to cut down all the frills and fancies and make it super easy in one direction? Then you have to finish that course that I have given you. Okay. Thank you. Facebook, yeah, you should be using launch. No, I don't understand your question, DK. Right? So let me answer the questions for you. For you, thank you for being such a participative audience. I am seeing you're all super excited and still contributing. And though we are, these are 90-minute sessions, so today we are still in time. I'll try to finish everything within 10:30. Right? So we are, how do we access that question? I will hold on. I'll share that later. How to build my own digital courses? That was whole agenda. Suryadeep's volunteering for his, he did a lot of awesome work in short time, so that is why he was taken as a case study. Okay, now how to enlarge my business? That's a too broad a question. I don't know in which context you are asking. So I would need you to maybe let me walk through the questions, then I'll let you speak, Devaditya, and then you can explain me what is it, and then I will address your question. What are the must skills we must have to start? You mentioned communicating effectively. Please share your insights, ma'am. Suryadeep, must skills, copywriting, sales, conversion skills, copywriting skills, and some digital tools, how to use the digital systems and tools. You should have the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle, and you should know how these various pieces connect and integrate. You should know how to use a autoresponder. You should know how to use a learning management system. You should know how to use a payment gateway. You should know how to make creatives. You should know how to make your own low cost videos. Okay. And all of that I cover in my course. I've already recorded. There's so much of content. If you simply go and look at the playlist, let me see if I can give you the playlist at the end. Hold on. Let's finish this and then I'll give you 2 good playlists. If you just stick on that, okay, You will have so much to learn and apply as well, right? So now Deepak is saying, ma'am, thank you so much for giving unbelievable knowledge. My question, I'm a WordPress website developer. How to make profitable online business? Please explain. Now we need to understand why you are a WordPress website developer. So a lot of people need their websites to be developed, right? You understand the context first. That is where most of the technical people fail, because you start talking about the features of your products and services, not the future your customers will get. Start talking what the future they will get once they build a website with you. How is it going to help them? Talk that, then and then you see, I am not a I am a software engineer. I am a engineering BE. I worked for almost 1996 till 2005. Okay, 9 years I have written code in C++. I have played various key roles, but I don't enjoy all this technical work. I don't enjoy that at all. Okay, so I create enough case for people to have their websites, quality websites. You have to understand what is the pain. Again, GPS system, write your GPS in place. What is the problem you're solving for them with your offering? How is it going to benefit them? What is their current pain and why they should come to you? You answer this, you will get please go through my course. You will know what to do. Complete that course. Okay. And join for live sessions. It's hardly anything, any money. You should go. I don't know how many of you know my background. Okay, I'm going to give you a link to a YouTube video. Those of you who don't know any background of, how many of you have not heard me before at all, and you're just first time coming into my session, have no clue what I do, because I don't talk about myself in the sessions. I don't want to waste your precious time talking about myself here. So if you want to know who am I, thank you, Nupur. Thank you, Mona Lisa. What is the cost of the digital tools? Okay, so digital tools have a monthly subscription. Yes, that fee is only for weekend. I had an exclusive offer on my weekend, and that offer is over. Now this is the price. Okay, so if for that weekend, a live workshop, and you are saving at least 10,000 a month. You are just paying 2,999, but you are saving 10,000 a month. Okay, it's a no-brainer deal. Once you are there, you would know in the live sessions. So these digital tools, autoresponders, some are free, some $15 a month, based on the number of subscribers you have. 1,000 subscribers, $15. Some are $29 a month. Anywhere from I would say $19 to $99 will be the monthly fee of these tools. The learning management system that I'm talking about, it depends. Initially, you don't need the professional version, so $39 a month. Okay, so you have to have, these tools are mostly $39, $90, $15, $19, $29, $39, $49 a month. Okay, and you need just one or two tools. That's all. Okay, and if you go on Zenler, that link that I shared with you, you don't need any. It is like all in one platform, but they are in beta right now. But it is good to open a free account there. It is good to open a free account there and explore it. Okay, explore it, learn that instead of wasting time. You can learn that as well. I'm again sharing the link for that platform. Okay, I have found 3 niches, ma'am. Masterminding, teaching professional. So this is again Suryadeep. If you want to learn automation, Abhinav, automation, no, these are independent tools. If you want to learn complete automation, then you should sign up for Digital Deepak's program. I think automation they teach. We don't teach automation. We help you set up. We set up automation for you. Okay. So this is for this is for Abhinav. But if you want to independently understand all the tools and how they integrate, the needs are different. So how they integrate will happen in the Facebook campaign, in the third workshop, where how various tools, whatever tools you need to set up a complete funnel, that way that the integration piece will be taught there. But if you want to completely learn automation, then I am not the right person for you. You have to look at Digital Deepak, or where there are many people who are teaching. But I think Digital Deepak teaches, you can look for his programs. Okay. I don't understand, ma'am. I'm the same you are doing cause I'm recording courses nowadays. I don't understand. I will let you speak. Let me finish this. I'm a parenting learner for my son and also have a quality to connect very easily with people. So I wanted to become a coach as a parenting skill. So how can I start my business online or digitally? Yeah. So you have to create courses on parenting. So that whatever I'm teaching is very well applicable to this, Bhumi. I mean, you become a parenting coach, you create a program, a course. Now, how to create a course? Now, if you don't know that, you will have to next workshop I am going to do in August. I'm just going to be doing one such workshop in 1 quarter. It requires a lot of energy, and I need at least 100 people now in my room because my cost also needs to come out. So next one I am doing in August 14, 15, 16, where it will give a structure on how to create the content bank and all. Okay. This month, that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, our digitalization workshop is over, digital systems and tools. But you can go over my videos, which you have got as a free course. It will help you. It will help you structure your course, how to create your course. It will teach that as well. Okay. So that for Suryadev, we have already answered. Beneath, how to record the course, though I have seen your video, please. How to record the course? So there are many tools to record the course. Now, maybe in the next weekend, we will cover the Screencast-O-Matic if you want. But that's how you have to record the course if you are looking for low-cost recording options. Okay, you need a camera, a good quality camera. The 20-minute video covers everything beneath. Okay. And many of my customers, clients, and audience have done using that. So I don't know what your challenge is. I'll let you speak, and then you can share what your challenge is. What kind of course can be created on an academic subject, just like for class 12? Yeah, create physics course. Create class 10 UGC net. How should the videos of courses link through other platforms like YouTube or direct to LMS system? No, you host your courses on the learning management system. Okay, you host your courses on the learning management system, and you create your influence building videos on YouTube, and you will have to do such, one day workshop or weekend webinar kind of a thing, where you let the parents know about your strengths, about your capabilities. And then see, whatever is the course curriculum of class 12, you can simply so for teachers, especially subject teachers, there is a different approach for subject teachers. Subject teachers have a different approach. Okay, so Himanshu, Beneath, and Abhinav, Deepak was asking something, right? Whose question I didn't understand? What have I answered everyone's question, or anyone is left? Yeah, let me see. This one done. Devaditya, how to enlarge. Devaditya Chakrabarti. Devaditya, and I'll put you on. I'll let you speak. Just let me know. This is done. Looking for low investment digital business. Yeah, so these tools are your investment in your business, right? So are you a knowledge giver, Mamta? Can you create a course? Can you conduct some programs? Then go through my recorded course first. You will get a lot of ideas. I'm an insurance advisor. How can I find out the client? See, why do people sign up for insurance? You will have to do a proper campaign, right? How taking insurance is going to help people. Again, everything comes down to your mission, vision, and GPS: gain, pain, problem statement, pain statement. Everything, irrespective of whatever business you are in, if you know what is the problem you are solving for people, what are their fears and frustrations, what are their dreams and desires. Okay, you are creating your marketing collateral. With that, you will be able to get attention of your target audience via Facebook ads. You will have to do ads. There is no other alternative. But why? And if you start building your influence by telling people, because you are an LIC insurance advisor, you can create videos on different types of insurances available in the market, and why one should go for this type and not that one, or why choose this over that. So you try to position yourself as a expert in that space. Okay, so that is how you can build your influence, and then people would like to work with you. What policies you are offering, they would want to know what is it, because you are educating them. What will be the minimum investment which brings more profit in digital business? You have mentioned just now. Minimum investment, it depends on how much you are trying to make, how much money you want to make. Based on that, your investment will depend. Okay, if you are planning to make 3 lakhs a month, how much should be your investment? If you want to make this much money, how much do you think should be your investment? Right, so minimum, see, any business, first you invest and then the break even happens. In property, you invest and the real value, do you get immediately? Today you invested in a property, tomorrow will it sell at the same? It will sell at the same cost maybe. But if you're looking for profits, there is a waiting period, right? Somewhere in the knowledge business, you should have an investment capacity of, see, depends how much money you want to make. If you only want to make 50,000 rupees a month, then your investment will be less, or your operational cost, whatever tools you need, few tools. So this is a very broad, it cannot be answered like this. Okay, see, if someone is targeting 10 lakhs a month, then they need to have, if I am having 6,000 subscribers in my autoresponder, I'm paying $79. I am using ClickFunnels for my landing pages, $97. My cost per month is around 35,000 for tools, because I am in the scaling stage. And then I spend more than 1 lakh a month on my Facebook marketing. So it depends. Okay, somebody who wants to make 50,000 a month, your investment will be lesser. If you want to make 3 lakh a month, your investment will be little more on the tools. But it is one time cost. I mean, as you grow, your cost comes down. Initially it is a lot more, but as you grow, your cost comes down. Okay, how to collect email IDs? You need an autoresponder. You need to have lead magnet on your website. Lead magnets. Now, what are lead magnets? Some free giveaways like ebook, videos, PDF, templates, some giveaway, some where you are educating your customers. Then you need to integrate your website with an autoresponder like MailChimp, or that Constant Connect, Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit. There are many tools, and that's how you create your list, and that's how you collect the name and email IDs. Okay, if you attend my workshop on coming weekend, you will know how it happens. Okay. Okay, so I moved ahead. So now let me see who has who wants to. There are some questions on Q&A. Girija is saying, I'm a career counselor for school and college. Started recently, but not sure how to sell. And see, you will have to sign up for some or the other program to learn how to do all of this at a fast forward mode, Girija. Okay, so I do have a full, I do this anyways. I've given my course free to you. Go over that course, you will get a lot of ideas. Ma'am, how to prepare and upload videos in LMS? Next weekend I am doing a live workshop. Okay, I've already shared the link. If you would like to join that, you can learn how to upload. I'm going to teach you. It will save you, at least, as I said, not only just LMS, the autoresponder also. Okay, autoresponder also I'm going to teach you. Let me see if I have the link handy again. The payment link I'll share. If you want to join those workshops, you can join those live workshops. There are people asking 20,000 rupees just to teach you how to do this, how to do that, and be on your own. There is no support. Okay, so in the live sessions you can learn along with me, and I invite you to join these live sessions. If you know, you think they're going to make they're going to help you. This will definitely reduce your recurring cost like anything. Okay, and you will no longer feel tech challenge. You will understand. It will empower you so much. Okay, it is going to empower you so much. Okay, so if you would like to be part of those workshops, because see, there are, what you need to understand is how to build a knowledge business first. What is the full business model? Then you need to learn the nitty-gritties of creating your course. Then you need to learn the digital systems and tools. Now you are ready to market yourself. You need to do Facebook campaigns, and for that your ad copies have to be very good. So that is how you do. This is step by step. Even if you don't want to create a pre-recorded course, you should know how to deliver your course and make the conversion. Still, you will need your marketing collaterals, and you will need the ad copy, and you will need to know how to do Facebook campaign. But it is better to outsource, because learning Facebook campaign itself is like doing a 4-year degree course, and Facebook is changing so continuously. By the time you get hang of it, it has changed something else. That is why my intention is to help you understand. Come and see what it takes to do a Facebook campaign, how to write an ad copy, look at what these digital systems and tools are, how they integrate, what it takes to set it up, and then take a call whether you want to do it yourself or should you outsource it. Give it to someone and you focus only on your content. Okay. A lot of people don't even understand what they are paying for and what they should look for in their when they are hiring someone to do their work. What is it that they should do for you? That clarity at least you will get, right? So anyone has any questions? How build network marketing? Sorry, I don't teach network marketing. How to make sure growth in career from digital marketing? Can you provide a solution? No, see, first go through my course. First go through how to create a loyal audience using the flywheel business model. You require a flywheel business model. We have already covered that in one of the business satsang. I'm going to give you the link in the Telegram group. Please go through that video. Okay. You have to have a message. Then you have to create a movement out of your message by nurturing and engaging your community, attract your target audience, engage and nurture them so they become your customers, delight them with massive value so your movement becomes a momentum. And that is called the flywheel business model, my 3M model for knowledge givers. That's how you will be able to create a loyal audience. Okay. Okay, so I think that's about it. If anyone has any questions, please put in the chat box. I will unmute you and you can speak. Let me know who wants to say something. Devaditya had something which I didn't understand. Himanshu had something which he was asking. Anyone here who has any questions? Is there any percentage of investment? Of course, 30%. See how initially, tell me which business gives you ROI immediately. When I started my jewelry business, I invested 4 crores. And you know how many years it took me to break even? 3 years. What does break even mean? The money that I put, now it is recovered and now I'm making profits. Any franchisee you take, Subway, Dunkin' Donuts, or whatever Krispy Kreme donut, or whatever Gold Gyms franchisee, or whatever it is, you make an upfront investment and there is a break-even time, okay, of 3 years, 4 years, and then you start making money. When somebody builds a hotel and hospital, there is an initial investment and the investment is very high. We already discussed CAPEX and OPEX. What is a one-time investment, capital expenditure? What is OPEX, operating expenses, right? But in the knowledge business, good thing is if you are ready to monetize yourself using live sessions, you can start seeing money same day. Now, whether it is profit or not, that is secondary. But you can start generating income from the moment your Facebook campaign is switched on. It cannot get easier than this. But now the cost, now you are doing a webinar for 199 or 99. Okay. So the cost per lead will be somewhere 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x. So you will have to spend at least minimum your budget on Facebook should be 20,000 rupees, 500 to 800 rupees per day. 30,000 is a good budget monthly. If you are starting slowly, that is only your Facebook budget, which money you are going to consume for yourself. But you will need services. Somebody needs to set up the campaign for you. There is execution services, and you need an expert to strategize your campaign and everything, all your digital presence. So your cost per lead is not 5x, 6x. It's almost as good as what, how would it feel when you are asking 99 rupees from your customers, and you are getting the lead in 99 rupees. So you are getting customers also, and cost to you is 0. How about customers are paying 99 and Facebook is only taking 45 rupees from you? 45 rupees is your profit straight away. So there are a lot of nitty-gritties here. Okay. We can't talk about, it depends on your offering. It depends on who is currently teacher, trainer, coaches, consultant is a very high niche for Facebook, and leads are very expensive. So it depends. Okay. But you should have, if you are asking how much money should I be ready to invest in knowledge business, that's a great question to ask. If you are an expert yourself, only you need execution services, and you know that my campaigns will do well, your generally agencies charge, some agencies charge 15% of the spend, some charge 20% of your spend on Facebook, and there is a setup cost also, one-time setup cost. Automation also, there is a one-time setup cost. Okay. If you don't have website, what all is needed, right? So you should somewhere have, if you have about 3 to 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs for 3 months, 1 lakh a month money if you have, okay, for everything, then it is, you're in good space. So you should have a budget, and this is, I'm all talking cut down, low cost. Okay. We paid 3.5 lakhs to only learn how to create courses, how to deliver our preview programs. 3.5 lakhs in 2017. Recently also I signed up for one program, 1,75,000. Okay. Online program, and I don't know what I learned there. Okay. So that is why I am teaching you, your learning is coming at a pocket friendly pricing, but the money that you need to invest in taking an expert reviews. If you want to increase your chances of success, reduce your chances of failure, reduce your risk, make sure you win before you begin. Okay. You whatever work you have done, vision statement, your gain, pain, your positioning, how your website should be, how your landing page should be, how to get testimonials, what videos to create, how to create those videos. If you need all of that, you're learning, I'm teaching all of that free. But by learning, if you're able to do it, great. Otherwise you need reviews. That becomes a great blocker. Why so many people know all the things, but when you try to execute what you know, you will have your own set of challenges. So you need a consultant in your life, and you need a mentor in your life, who under whose guidance you can build this knowledge business in 3 to 6 months and start seeing some good money. How many of you would like to do that? You should be willing to invest, right? Thank you, Khalilji. 1 lakh per month you should have. Okay. And I would say a 5 lakh money, if you, I have, when I was doing WhatsApp classes, I have spent 6.5 lakhs to get 1,000 paid leads at 199. Okay. Right now, but thank God you are at a place where I'm cutting down. I'm saying 5 lakhs, but I'm saving 50 lakhs for you. I'm saving 50 lakhs for you when I'm saying 5 lakhs. 3 to 5 lakhs. Okay. 1 lakh a month is a good budget to invest in yourself. 1 lakh a month, including execution, including automation setup, including the services. Okay. I have figured out all low cost way of doing things. Okay. So that is a good budget to go. For teachers, yes, it is very simple. Simply record the course chapter by chapter. Okay. And sell it. You're lucky. You're subject teachers. You don't have to do all the entertainment part in your courses. Okay. You can simply record chapter, but make small videos. Each concept, make one small video, 4-minute, 5-minute video. You will have many videos. I had some teachers in my personal consulting as well as group consulting. Just make, and good thing is you can see, generally coaching institutes ask for, let me, Himanshu, I'm going to unmute you and I want you to talk. Let me do that. I have some questions for you. Yeah, Himanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
I have given you unmute permissions.
Yes.
I think you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I have
Yeah.
unmuted.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me what is it. So, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much, see, class 12 physics, how much do the training institute charge them for the full year, Allen and all, Allen Academy, Byju's and all, how much they charge?
Approx 5 to 10,000 approx.
How much?
Approx 5 to 10,000 minimum.
For the full year?
There are different cost of different coaching institutions. So
Okay.
their packages are according to their all subjects. Just
Okay.
like they are selling this like physics, chemistry, and mathematics package, or physics, chemistry, and biology.
Okay. So these are live classes or recorded classes?
They give because they have a big team. If we see Baizu or an academy, such kind of platforms has a big team. So they have recorded and as well as live classes both.
Okay. So what is your question basically? What is it you're looking for? What is your challenge?
Yeah, actually, I am following you since a long time. So I was thinking about that. How can I create a course? Because if I am going through any particular subject, then
Yeah.
it is not possible to make a course of just like 10 or 15 videos or for only 2 or 3 hours in a subject. Then how can we can say summarize, or we can some special package for the students, or should we go through the how can we study or such kind of topics?
Yeah, simplify. No, so your question is on content, the course content, or how to position, how to build your influence, like doing some YouTube videos where students want to learn from you.
Yeah.
So for influence building, you just teach one concept, may simplify and just show that this is how you do this, right? And then you can always have a full course curriculum, simplified teaching, recorded, and you can do a mix of live and recorded sessions, right? So if
Yes.
somebody wants to just go through your recorded courses, you can just price it half the price of what these brands are charging. Okay. So what happens is people will come to you. Then you can also say, along with this, I will give you one weekly group classes where you can clarify your doubts.
Yes. Yes.
And if those parents say, no, we want your personal time only, then you can say that then you can charge a little bit more for your personal time.
Yes.
Say that I have a recorded course, and make each concept small. Suppose in physics there is a chapter on, I said I long time I'm out of school. So
Yeah. It's like electricity or magnetism, such kind of topics here.
each chapter has some subtopics, right? So each
Yeah.
subtopic you record as one video. Okay.
Yes.
And then you can tell the parents that, see, when you teach in live classes, if the student is forgetting, not understanding the concept, there is no way you will go and teach again. But in a video, he can keep going and re-looking at it again and again.
Yes.
So that way you can create, then you can also create crash courses, right?
Okay.
Immediately for exam. That is another product you can create. Then you
Yeah.
can also say that first you go through my recorded courses, and I will do weekly once or twice. If the parents want group coaching, two times a week, you can do group coaching for people who cannot afford personal. And
Yeah.
then those who only want personal, you can price it little more, 1,500 an hour or whatever.
Yeah.
Like that. This is how you will do your course content. But how will parents know you are a good teacher? For that, you should create small videos on YouTube simplifying the concept. It is okay if that same concept is there inside your course also, doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah.
But first you tell about an introductory video, who you are, what you do, and why it is important for you to teach physics the right way. And then just one concept in physics, simplify it and do small videos, so your influence is also building there. And then give your contact details to the parents, WhatsApp or something number there in the YouTube video description. They will reach out to you. And then if you already have the recorded course, then you can say that See, my tuitions are group. If I do online classes, whatever is the charges, but if you are taking my recorded videos, it is half the price.
Okay. Okay.
So what will happen is, along with recorded videos, I will also give you two live classes or 8 live classes in a month, and you put a cost to it. If you only want recorded courses, you can make it very less, 50% of offline prices. If you want live classes along with it, you can add some more money to it. And if they want fully personal 1:1, then you can still price it little more. So those who can't
Yeah.
afford your fee, they can go through your recorded courses. So you are multiplying yourself, you are cloning yourself. So if 100 people are
Yeah.
see your video, and out of that 10 people want to work with you, and they have a budget of 5,000 only, you can say that my 5,000 mein my full recorded course is available. But along with my if you want live sessions, then I charge 10,000, 5,000 for recorded courses and 5,000 monthly for live group classes. And if you want 1:1, then 1,500 per hour. How many hours I have done? If you have 20 hours you have taught, then 30,000 straight away yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Is it helpful?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure,
All
ma'am.
right. So guys, if you like my session, if you like the content, I have given you a link, review link. Kindly give your reviews. I need your help. Reach out to more and more people. How the session was for you? Did you learn something? And how the session has brought value, right? So
Yeah.
I really need your help for reviewing. So kindly review here.
I have
Right?
already given review 1 or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I saw that. It is for new
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
in the group because we have a lot of new people also. So anyone else
Yes, ma'am.
has any questions? Thank you so much, Himanshu. I look forward to seeing
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
every Tuesday at 9
Yeah.
p.m.
Sure.
Keep
Sure.
learning, keep going, right?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, great. So you will need our learning management system definitely for your, uploading your courses. It will simplify a lot of your life. Okay.
Yeah.
So next week, if you want to, you are not part of my live workshops. I haven't seen you, but if you want to learn how to use all these systems and all, then you must join my coming workshop on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It will empower you like anything. I'm telling you. I've already given.
Sure. I will attend. I had to attend, but there are a lot of courses I have taken from different kind of courses, some academic courses. So timing was clashing. There was a
Acha.
clash of timing, so I couldn't, because I was present in your birthday program that day. That day you gave an offer, so I was willing to take it, but because of clash of dates, I couldn't do it.
No problem, no problem. Once in 3 months, I'm going to be doing live sessions. Otherwise, my recorded sessions are also enough. But how to use autoresponder, how to use Teachable, that is my core offering. So that I don't give in
Yeah.
the form of recorded programs. I don't want to make a recorded product out of it because I know that people don't take actions on recorded products. If it is live session in 3 days, you will learn 3, 4, 5 tools, which is going to super empower you. And once you know it is so easy, you guys will be on board. So that is why I'm that how to of the tools will always be live. How to of the Facebook campaign, because Facebook is changing so frequently that we can't record and keep, because it is very easy. You will go through something which is no longer working in Facebook. What is the point? So that is why it is important to do live. If what live will happen, whatever is currently working. Okay. So because these are all my insights, that I have bought some programs where the tools were totally outdated. The features are not working in the tool, and I've paid for the gold membership and all, and the everything has changed by the time I am looking at those videos, and new videos were not done. So
Yeah.
that is why I realized that these tools thing and all have to be live. Okay. And the Facebook campaign has to be live. So whatever is currently happening, whatever is currently working, you will know that, not something of the past.
Yes, ma'am.
So anyways, those who would like to join, I'll be super happy to get you there. And I've shared the payment links. I'll share in the Telegram group also. If whoever is interested to join, please join. It is a great opportunity. Don't miss it. And anyways, my birthday offer is over. I'm no longer, I told, going to be, I'm giving it that offer. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, all right. Okay, thank you so much. Anyone else who has any question to ask, kindly, those who have raised Vasu, Shiva, I've given you allow talk permissions. You can speak. Anyone wants to speak anything? Otherwise, those who want to know how to access your course in Teachable, I will show that. Anyone who has any questions, want to share something? How was the session for you? Anyone wants to say anything? 3, 2, 1. All right. I'm going to be showing now how to access your courses in the Teachable. Okay. So those who don't know that, those who are not able to access your courses, just go ahead and see how you can do that. Hold on. Okay. So let me, okay, I'll go back to WhatsApp. So you have been given links to that KDM knowledge business, right? So I'm just trying to find out knowledge. I'm just trying to get that link, knowledge business model. Yeah, copy. So the moment you click on this knowledge business model and you sign up for the course, this is free, right? This is free. Wait, I'm going to do one thing. I want to stop this recording and I want to start another recording. So I'm just going to send this